Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Vivi, and um, that's not how I want to pronounce that, but that's how most of my friends say it, so I'm gonna stick with it. Vivi and Co. It's an abbreviation, but that's not what I want to talk about right now. Um, I'm kind of focusing on a shift in where I want my YouTube to go, I guess. Uh, I right now in my life as a 23-year-old uh dad, I guess, like I'm a new dad, that's cool. I can't afford to just keep dropping money on these projects right now. Uh so I'm kind of going to shift my YouTube in the direction of more vlogs and like personal growth, I guess. Um like you'll see with like my later videos, but the main premise here and the main thing that I'm trying to point out would just be you'll see more of a focus on my growth as a man and as a person and less on my cars that I can't really work on because I don't know what I'm doing. Um, and I'm sure later down the road, like there'll be time for that. But I think that if I document just my growth, and would that be spiritual, financial, uh, emotional, that would be much more helpful to the world than just some hack job ghetto BMW mods. Um, Obviously, I'm downplaying it because they're fun to me, But I guess that's just gonna be my channel update for December 2020, going into the new year. I'm gonna focus on me and less on the cars and my objects and what I have. And I think that's definitely the way I was supposed to do it before, but it takes some time to come around.